Welcome to Block Rora Insights, where we dive into the cutting edge of technology and its real-world impact. Today, we're talking robots, specifically the groundbreaking new electric atlas from Boston Dynamics. If you've seen videos of those backflipping, parkour-practicing humanoid robots, that's Atlas. Well, the latest version is a whole new level of capability. Gone is the bulky, noisy hydraulic system of the past. The new Atlas is sleek, silent, and eerily graceful. It can effortlessly transition from lying down to standing, and then spin with almost unnerving precision. This isn't just about cool tricks, though. Boston Dynamics is positioning this Atlas for actual work. Think factory floors, warehouses, settings built for humans, where a humanoid form might navigate better than a wheeled robot. And get this, the hands are simplified, less about perfectly copying humans, more about getting jobs done reliably. What really gets my tech geek mind buzzing is the mysterious ring-shaped head unit. Could it be packed with advanced sensors, paving the way for a robot that sees and interacts with its environment like never before? We don't know yet, but it adds to the feeling that this Atlas is a glimpse of a very different future. And here's the thing, this isn't just experimental. Boston Dynamics has teamed up with Hyundai. Imagine Atlas in high-tech car factories, handling heavy parts, tirelessly repeating precise movements. This partnership gives them an inroad to the manufacturing big leagues. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Success with spot and stretch robots has shown Boston Dynamics how to move from lab to market. This electric Atlas is another major step in that journey. Now, here's where things get fascinating and a bit worrying. Atlas has the potential to redefine work itself. Are we witnessing an acceleration of automation? And are we truly preparing our workforce for the jobs of tomorrow alongside these robots? And as Atlas becomes more capable, more adaptable, thanks to AI, we need to tackle the ethical questions head-on. How do we ensure these robots are used responsibly and don't slip into the wrong hands with harmful intent? That's a conversation that can't wait. The electric Atlas is a watershed moment in robotics. It's the blurring of that line between research and the real world, between sci-fi and our factories and warehouses. It's both thrilling and a call to action, because this kind of change requires us to think ahead, plan, and ensure that this technological revolution works for us, not against us. To explore more insights on the impact of robotics, AI, and the future of work, head over to blockrora.com. Stay curious, stay engaged, and we'll see you next time.